Okay. Ada lagi 10 hari. January 2022. So 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hari, 13 days. Okay. Okay. So when we talk about determinations of nutrient, kita habis kawal. Patutnya kita buat minggu ni pada minggu ke-12, tapi saya bagi dulu so that you can settle, you dapat awal lah, so that you can prepare lah. Tak adalah saya bagi in 1 week time ataupun in just 5-6 hari kan. Okay, so actually this method is to determine the nitrogen content. Okay, so nitrogen content selalunya kat dalam soil kita kena ada dalam soil it should be around 0.2% tau tanah dia kena ada nitrogen. Okay, usually nitrogens are expressed in percentage. Okay, so it is expressed in percentage. Okay, so kenapa kita panggil total nitrogen is because kita determine all the nitrogen, okay, which is the amino acid, the nitrates, the nitrites, okay, sebab tu kita panggil total. Kalau kita panggil to determine the nitrates content, maksudnya kita ada method lain to determine only nitrates. Okay, so this is to determine the total nitrogen content in soil. Okay, so this is the method, okay, which saya akan tunjuk dalam video. Okay, literally this is the method. Literally dalam word. Okay, sekejap saya tunjuk. Okay, so this is my student conducting the. Nampak tak? Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat Kita kena ada digestion block. Kita kena ada digestion unit. Kita kena ada distillation unit. Yang ni ada dekat lab kita semua ni. So this is the procedure. Okay, kita pakai tanah, a soil sample, a dry soil sample. Dry soil samples. Okay. Then kita digest, kita masak dia. Okay, menggunakan acid. Acid yang kita guna adalah acid sulfurate concentrated. Okay, so we use about 15 ml concentrated ni. Okay, and we pour in each of the digestion block ataupun digestion unit kita panggil. So kita masak dia selama 1 jam. Okay, mula-mula warna dia hitam dan jadi kelabu. Okay, so lepas dia masak dalam 2-3 jam, kita masukkan air. Nampak tu acid dia. Okay, then we have to filter the sample. So dekat bawah ni kita ada what we call as the digested samples. Air dia dah jernih dah. Okay. So this is the samples that we have filter. This is the digestion block yang kosong tadi. Okay, then the next stage adalah kita nak pakai what we call as distillation. Okay, so distillation, kita distill maksudnya daripada ammonia total nitrogen tu kita tukar dia kepada, daripada total nitrogen kita tukar dia kepada ammonia, NH3. Sebab kita masak dia, dia jadi wap. Bila jadi wap tu kita trap dia kat dalam boric acid. This is the boric acid yang dalam botol kecil ni. So this is the distillation process. So kita adjust dia, sampel kita 1 gram. Kan? Okay, so distillation ni dia mengelegakkan air kita. Okay, jadi dia tukarkan kepada ammonia gas. Okay, so ammonia gas ni akan transfer masuk kat dalam botol kecil tadi. So lepas ammonia gas tu kita trap dia dalam boric acid. Okay, so the boric acid tu dia dah tukar. Dia dah jadi pH dia dah jadi alkali. So alkali kita nak titrate back dengan hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid bila kita titrate dia semula, okay, so from this color dia change to this color. Atau sesetengah kalau dekat dalam method saya ni dia pakai sekejap dalam method saya dia pakai dia pakai lain. Student saya pakai indikator lain. Dekat sini dia pakai sekejap. Dia pakai indikator apa ya? Alamak, dalam ni tak ada pula. Okay, kita ada pakai indikator. Nanti saya double confirm balik. Indikator ni akan tukar daripada warna ammonia from pinkish color turns to green. Okay, macam tadilah daripada pink kita dapat warna hijau macam ni. Yang ni kita pakai indikator lain. Setiap indikator dia berbeza-beza berbeza-beza warna color dia. However, it indicates the changes lah. Okay. So that is the process. The process involve two benda. Satu, which kita digest sample tu pakai sulfuric acid. Lepas digest, kita filter dia dan kita letak air. Then kita carry out the process what we call as distillation process. Distillation process yang tekan-tekan tadi, masukkan data tu. Lepas tu kita distill dia and ammonia tu akan trap dalam boric acid. Okay, then kita masukkan mix indicator in the yang cone botol kecil tadi. Lepas tu kita akan what we call kita akan do the process of distillations and then kita akan titrate dia. Okay, so titrate back ni maksudnya daripada ammonia gas, okay, dekat sini ammonia gas, dia acid. Dia masuk ammonia gas is alkali. Alkali masuk dalam boric acid, dia akan change the pH of the boric acid. Betul kan? Sebab alkali dia mix dengan acid, dia tukar pH. So, you titrate back untuk dia jadi balik boric acid punya pH. Untuk dia jadi acid balik. Then you know how much of ammonia is in the soil ataupun the digested solution. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, saya gunakan dua jenis sampel. As you know, satu sampel yang berwarna coklat. Okay, so this the color of the brown soil indicates that there is a content of organic matter, and also orange soils tak ada you nampak tanah dia berbeza. Okay, so this is the value of the T, okay, which you have to calculate according to the according to the formula, and from the results you can calculate the this is the distributions of the marks. You have to compare why the total N in soil 1 is different from the total N in the soil 2. Okay, so then when why it is different, then you have to discuss if it's in that amount of nitrogen, is it sufficient for your crops to grow or inadequate? Okay, so you have to refer lah. Okay, saya bagi satu contoh sekejap. Okay, so okay, saya bagi satu contoh. You boleh guna untuk other crops juga. Okay, so ini adalah optimum levels untuk nitrogen and also nitrogen yang kat dalam oil palm, dalam tanah dalam oil palm So it should be around 0.12 hingga 0.15 ataupun 0.15 hingga 0.25. It is sufficient. Tapi kalau you dapat the value lower than 0.08, it indicate that your soil is not sufficient with nitrogen. Tapi ni kalau you nak tanam oil palm lah. Okay, but you can have a general value of nitrogen. How much of nitrogen is need in a general soil? Okay, for planting crops je lah. Not there is an one examples using oil palm as the crops. Okay, so you can use other than that as long as you have the reference. Cukup ke tak? You can have you kena tengok study orang lain berapa sebenarnya that oxygens are required in the soil environment. Okay, so any questions from you? Saya akan uploadkan all the video and all the assignments, instructions dekat dalam ni eh. So any question? Husna, okay Husna?
Okay, Doktor.
Husna, if you kalau you macam terganggu untuk hantar assignment apa semua sebab mestilah you nak kemas rumah apa semua kan, please let me know eh. Okay, Zuharis okay? Zuharis?
Okay, okay.
Sharifah Inshira okay? Faham eh? Shairin okay?
Okay, Doktor.
Faham kan? Okay, so saya apa ni? Saya ada lagi. Sekejap, saya tengok di sini. Okay, so we settle semua tu. Then I would like to inform you that we will have our quiz on the 14 weeks. Minggu ke-14 hari Rabu tu eh. Week 14. Okay, that is quiz before your final. Okay, then kita akan ada lagi satu assignment. Okay, so assignment ni pun samalah. Saya akan bagi yang simple but informative and knowledgeable for you. Okay, so next week. So ada dua lagi benda yang kita belum selesaikan, which is the assignment number 2 and quiz. Okay, so assignment number 2 next week and quiz is on the week 14. Okay, so any question? Okay so kalau tak ada questions, we end our sessions and you can check all the assignments and your tasks in iTaklim. And thank you for those who submitted all your assignments and lab report Terima kasih. So thank you.